Hey guys, I'm back at you with another video.
Hello and welcome to Choose Makeup Maven.
So I'm starting off the tutorial by applying some glue to my client's eyebrows. Now taking my eyeliner setting powder, I'm just going to apply it on top of my eyebrows, and I'm just going to let them set.
I have two eyebrow pencils and I'm going to be using
dark brown shade from Huda Beauty. I'm just going to apply the shade on my client's eyebrows. Because I don't want any excess product build up, I'm just going to take a damp sponge, beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend out the concealers to the rest of the face. Still using the same eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to take this matte white eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply it onto the inner corners of your eyelids. Okay, so now taking my dark brown shade, I'm just going to blend out the outer corners of your eyelids. Now taking my orange shade, I'm just going to apply it after I've applied the brown. I also took out golden yellow. It's a little bit shimmery, and I just applied it to the center of the eyelids. So I went back in with the deep orange and then placed it where I had placed it before. And now I'm just going to blend everything by making sure not to disturb my crease. And that's how I did my eyeshadow. So now taking my liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to draw some wing eyeliner. But firstly, as you know now, I always have to do a basic liner first. After I'm done with my basic eyeliner, I asked my client to open your eyes so that I could match the eyeliner with waterline, and from there I could be able to do my ring. Also using a black gel liner, I lined entire waterline under my eyes on my waterline. I'm just adding some primer to her face. The primer is from Huda Beauty and is for normal to dry skin. My client has really normal skin, which is good. Now using this foundation from Sleek Makeup, it's very cheap. I'm just going to apply it onto her face. Now taking a concealer, I'm just going to highlight under her eyes. Now taking this loose powder from Fit Me in the shade Pink Banana number 2. I'm just going to apply it on your forehead, under your eyes, and onto your chin. I also applied some loose powder onto the bridge of her nose, and I'm just going to let it set. Okay, so now I'm taking these eyelashes, number 1, and I'm just going to apply them onto my client's eyelids. I also used the end of my cotton bud to help them get into place. Taking my light blush, light pink, I'm just going to apply it onto my client's cheekbones, and I'm just going to blend that out. Lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, and I just applied it onto the center of her lips. Finishing up with the lips, I took that matte liquid lipstick and I just applied it to the center of the lips. And there you have it. Now I'm just taking my brush and I'm just blending out the excess powder, and I'm just removing it from my face.
highlighter placement. I asked my client to smile so that I could just place that highlighter onto her cheekbones. You want to avoid using that highlighter way up to your ears, as in this plateauing. And guys, I just use my fingers to create on your nose contour. And we are done. And there you have it. So thank you guys for being patient and watching this video. I hope you gave it a thumbs up. Don't be afraid to comment and share.